Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to open messages in pop-up view called the bubble feature on your Samsung Galaxy device. So when you enable the bubble feature for apps like Messages or Messenger, conversation will appear as a floating chat heads on your screen. So you can tap them to open the chat in a mini pop-up window without leaving the current app. So here is an example. When someone sends you a message like this, you'll see that it'll appear right here as a bubble. To open it, you can go ahead and tap on it and you can read the message. And once you're done, tap on it again and that will disappear. So as an example, if you're playing a game and someone messages you, it'll appear as a bubble right here. You can go ahead and tap on it, reply to this, put it away and keep playing your game. So let me show you how to turn on this feature on your Samsung Galaxy device. So here you need to go ahead and first turn on the message app. Now you want to go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top right and then tap on message settings. Now here you want to find bubbles, tap on this, and here you want to go ahead and select all. You can go ahead and select selected only, or you can go ahead and select all the messages. Now once that's done, press back, and now whatever message you receive here, it'll appear in bubbles. So if you're playing a game, you can quickly reply to a message without closing it. If you're watching YouTube or Netflix, you can respond in a pop-up while your videos keep playing. And lastly, browsing the web or using the maps, you can stay in the conversation without losing focus. So this feature is all about multitasking, keeping your flow while staying connected on your Samsung Galaxy device. So there you go guys, that is how to open messages in pop-up view with your bubble feature on your Samsung Galaxy device.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.